The Ming and J.N. Shapiro 3706 Lightning began with friendship. Ming Thein and Josh Shapiro have known each other for years. Their brands, Horloger Ming and J.N. Shapiro, are both founding members of the Alternative Horological Alliance, but the 3706 Lightning is their first watch presented together. The idea was simple. What happens when two independent makers bring their own forms of handwork to the same dial? The answer begins in Los Angeles, inside Josh Shapiro's workshop. Each dial is made from grade 2 titanium and individually engine-turned by hand on a traditional rose engine lathe. The pattern is called Lightning Guilloché, and this is the first time it has appeared on a J.N. Shapiro wristwatch. The result is a surface full of movement, precise, hypnotic, and alive with texture. From Los Angeles, the dials traveled to Kuala Lumpur. There, Ming Thein heat colors each dial by hand with a butane torch. No paint, no lacquer, just heat, timing, restraint, and instinct. The titanium transforms into deep blues, rich purples, and vibrant orange yellows, but the process leaves almost no room for error. A few seconds too long or too short can ruin the dial. Even perfect technique can reveal hidden variations in the titanium itself. Only about 1 in 3 dials makes it into a finished watch. Those that survive are never exactly alike. Lightning, after all, never strikes twice. The dial is housed in Ming's 37 series stainless steel case, measuring 38 millimeters in diameter. Inside is the manual wind Salida for Ming caliber SW210.M1, with skeletonized rhodium-plated bridges and an anthracite-coated baseplate. The 3706 is a collaboration in the truest sense. Josh Shapiro and his team shaped the dial by hand in Los Angeles, and Ming Thein brings it to life in Kuala Lumpur. 2 makers, 2 processes, 1 dial, and no 2 watches exactly the same.